Hey everyone, I'm Taylor, and welcome to AI Life Notes. No way, right? The voice you're actually hearing was made with top Medi AI. Next up, I've got a few mystery guests who are going to voice this video. See if you can guess who they are.
So what exactly is Top Media? Hey, don't freak out, but I didn't record this voice. An AI did it for me. It's super convenient and completely free to use online. All you have to do is type in your text, and it'll instantly turn into a supernatural human voice, and the options are insane. It supports over 190 languages and has more than 3,200 different voice styles. With just one click, you can handle everything from YouTube voiceovers and audiobooks to ads and even tutorial videos.
Using it is super easy. Just 3 simple steps. 1. Select a character, language, accent, and voice. You can also adjust the speed and tone. 2. Enter the text you want it to read. 3. Click Generate Voice to play and download the audio.
You might be wondering, what can this voiceover tool even do? Well, it's super practical. If you're a YouTuber or making short videos and don't want to use your own voice, just paste in your script and it'll generate a natural-sounding voiceover for you. Want an audiobook? No need to record for hours, just paste in an article and it instantly becomes a professional quality reading. It's even better for ads because you can easily switch between different voices. Whether you need a voice that's energetic, professional, or even cute, it's got you covered. If you're creating a course or educational materials, you can use it for voiceovers to make your students more engaged. Even people with reading difficulties can use this feature to turn text into clear audio. Simply put, it saves you time and effort in all kinds of situations, and the results sound much better.
Just press like, subscribe, share, and turn on the little bell. Your support is the driving force for the growth of small creators like me, and it is also the source of my continuous sharing of valuable teaching.
Hey, are you wondering how to choose a plan for a voice tool this powerful? The most cost-effective choice is the lifetime plan. Not only is it a one-time payment, but you also get 5 million characters and new voices updated every week. For a long-term user, that's an incredible value. Compared to other monthly plans, the lifetime plan is the best way to save both time and money. Don't hesitate, upgrade now, and start your new AI voiceover experience.
Once, a kingdom stood tall until the Hellfire Direwolf arrived.
I will protect this land, no matter what! We're with you, Carol. Always.
I'll scout ahead. No beast escapes my sight. Ha! Let's make some boom for the big bad wolf!
And so, the Hellfire Direwolf appeared.
Everyone, get ready! Light will always push back the dark.
Strike fast! Strike true! Ha! Gotcha, bonehead!
This ends now!
Light and shadow clashed with fury.
Now is the time, Lumi. Shine! Got your weak spot!
For the kingdom!
The blade of courage pierced the darkness.
No, how could it be? I won't fail.
And with one strike, the kingdom was free.
We did it, Carol!
Told you nothing escapes my eyes! Maybe save this one for next time?
This flame will always protect our home.
Together, they restored hope to the land, and their story became legend.
If this video helps you, please subscribe, like, share, and turn on the bell to show your support. Feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments section. Your feedback is very important to me.
This is AI Life Notes. See you in the next video.